Let's understand the difference between a shaper and a planner. In case of a shaper, the work is held stationary and the cutting tool is on the ram, which is then moved back and forth across the work. However, in case of planner, the tool is stationary instead, and the workpiece travels back and forth under the tool. In case of shaper, the job is very much smaller, and in case of planner, the job is pretty much large. These are the jobs that cannot be undertaken on a shaper. Jobs as large as 6 meters wide and twice as long can be machined on a planner. A shaper is a light machine, however, a planner is a heavy duty machine. The shaper can employ light cuts and finer feed. However, planner can employ heavier cuts and coarse feed. A shaper uses one cutting tool at a time, but in case of planner, several tools can be used simultaneously. The shaper is driven using quick return link mechanism, but the planner uses the drive on the planner table, which is by hydraulic means. The shaper is less rigid and less robust, but because of better rigidity of planner as compared to that of shaper, planner can give more accuracy on machined surfaces.